Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are good at home. This is Priyanka, your class teacher. Students, as you know, we have already learned about the numbers 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Today we will learn about the number 11 to 20. But before going to start our session, make a circle. Let's make a circle. Circle with the help of your friends, help of your siblings, parents and grandparents. Yes, after making the circle, yes, count the total number of the members of your circle. Count and say the numbers in sequence like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And so on. Yes, students, I have some flashcards for you. Flashcards of numbers. 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19 and 2, 0, 20. Parents, let's do an activity. Students, let's do an activity with the help of your parents. Draw the objects like this on the floor or on the sheet of paper, or you can use the notebooks also. Draw the objects and now let the students count the objects and call out the same number. Yes, repeat this activity with it at least 5 or 6 times. Means if you are drawing the pictures of fishes, students have to count the fishes and match the particular number of the fishes. Repeat this activity at least 6 or 7 times with the other numbers. Now let's do another activity. For this activity, we need paper plates and some cards of bindis for the decoration. Yes, students, your mother will call out the number, any one number, and you have to count the same number of bindis on the paper plate. Means if your mama will say the number 18, 18, you have to paste 18 bindis on the paper plate. And if your mama will say the number 13, you have to paste 13 bindis, count the 13 bindis and paste on the paper plate. After doing this activity, make a video clip and send it on my WhatsApp number. Have you enjoyed the session? Yes, repeat the numbers from 1 to 10. Yes, call out the number from 1 to 10 in sequence and make a video clip and send it on my WhatsApp number. Have you enjoyed the session? Stay connected with your teachers. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.